Good morning. I am walking down the street from my house to the Vaughn's that is like a mile away, and I am going to meet our driver Cameron because his son does this speedway racing on like a mini dirt bike, and I'm going with them to the track today to check it out and help them out. So I'm on my way to the Vaughn's. Cam and Angie are on their way towards me, so I'll see them in a few minutes. My chariot has arrived.
Good morning.
Morning, hello.
What's up, man?
How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Great.
Good. Cameron's got his own little pit setup going on here. I gotta admit, it's really nice being able to just pull the race car out and be able to go. We wouldn't know much about that. Jet, you excited?
Yeah.
You gonna beat everybody?
Huh?
Are you gonna beat everybody?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, we're taking Jet over to get checked in. His first race is with his little electric bike, and then I guess there's a race with his dirt bike. I'm not really sure what's going on here. I've got to ask Cameron. So we're doing the track walk right now. Cam, you want to explain a little bit of what's going on?
So basically, we're just kind of showing Jet some of the jumps and the turns, and he's been racing circle track, dirt track stuff lately, so I just wanted to remind, he's been here a bunch, but I just wanted to kind of remind him how it all works and whatnot, so yeah. Oh wow, they actually made the track bigger. It's actually good that we did this.
So this is Jet's first practice with the something bike, I don't remember what it's called, and there's 9 racers lined up right now, and they're about to go.
2 laps. This is your practice. When this flag comes down, you're off. Go. There they go. Okay, next.
So I'm up here in this little tower that they have right now. So at the drag strip, I run a photography and videography business for all the new people. And I'm here with Cameron, and I'm gonna be making them a video. And somehow I ended up being hired by the track to do a video. So I've got pretty much free reign to film anywhere around here and make them a really cool video. So I've got all of my equipment out. This is gonna be a really cool video I can make them. What's going on, Miss Angie?
What's up? We're sweating.
Yeah, that's fair.
It's so hot.
Blair's over here playing with race cars, and Angie's chasing her. And over here, Jet and Cameron are getting ready. We put a GoPro on Jet's helmet so that we can see what he sees when he's going. So this will be a cool view for him to go. He's up next. Keep going, Mr. Cameron.
Julius.
Pretty good. First race ever, she gets 3rd place.
Jet just had a wreck, but he got up and is getting back on the bike, and he's gonna finish his lap. Good job, buddy. Go, Jet, good job, buddy. Okay, so I'm filming an update for both channels that I'm working on today. Jet just a few minutes ago finished his first main heat, I guess. I'm not really too familiar with all the dirt bike stuff, but he did pretty good. He's got 2 more races, I think, to do, but I'm not entirely sure. So, he's doing good. Foray family update.
So Jet, how are we doing out there so far?
Run her down.
Yeah, tell them. Did you have a little get off and practice on your PW? What happened?
Go get him, Julius.
You crashed? How'd you crash? You just got a little squirrely?
Number 7.
Yeah, you got a little.
Number 7.
You got a little whiskey throttle and you sent
Please
it
come
up.
to the starting line.
Got big air.
Number 7.
Yep. Yeah, big air.
Photo number 8, please.
Yeah. Well, you got one more race. Then we're just gonna go. We're gonna go slow on our PW. Remember? Over the dragon back, just little whoopty whoops. Yeah. Thumbs up.
All right, let's see here. A little bit of an update. Jet just finished his second race with the electric bike, and he got 3rd place, so he's on the podium. All of my gear is disgustingly dirty from all the dirt and dust and everything. And he's got 1 more race with the Pee-wee, and then we'll be done, and he wants to build Legos after. So that's what we're gonna do. I think I'm gonna go up and throw a camera in the tower up over there for his last race and get the finish line. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I gotta go set that up. They're over there, they're running another Pee-wee race. Or not a Pee-wee, yes, a Pee-wee race right now. The guys over here on the pro track are absolutely nuts, doing like 15-foot jumps. So yeah, that's what's going on. All right, we're warming Jet's bike up for his last race. You ready, buddy? Let's do this. Here he goes. Go, Jet! This is the dragon back where Jet crashed earlier. So here he goes.
Slow, 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 slow. Good job, good job.
Good job, buddy. Here he comes. He's on his last lap. Here's the checkered flag. Go, buddy! So we're up here with Jet. You're gonna get on the podium. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
So that is going to wrap up this video. I've got to go home and shower and get ready because we're going to the rodeo later tonight. So I've got to get back home, charge all my batteries, and shower and be ready to go. That video is going to be coming out 2 days after this one, I think. Jet did an amazing job. It's really impressive what he does. He's only 4 years old and he kicks ass doing this. So that's really cool. He's got a bright future ahead of him doing this if he keeps it up, which is really cool that Cameron and Angie are able to let him do this. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and never give up.